Cheesecake is a classic dessert. It is rich and creamy. You can make cheesecake for many occasions. It's perfect for a party. It's also great for a simple dessert. The best part about cheesecake is you can customize it. You can use different toppings. Some people add fruit, others prefer chocolate. You can even make mini cheesecakes. This guide will help you make the perfect cheesecake. We will go over each step. You will learn all the tips and tricks. Get ready to impress your family and friends. Before you begin, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 sets of ingredients. The first set is for the crust. The second set is for the cheesecake filling. For the crust, you will need graham crackers, sugar, and melted butter. You can also add a pinch of salt if you like. For the cheesecake filling, you will need cream cheese, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, and sour cream. The sour cream is optional, but it makes the cheesecake extra creamy. You will need a few tools to make cheesecake. Having the right tools makes the process easier. It also helps you get the best results. First, you will need a springform pan. This pan has removable sides. This makes it easy to remove the cheesecake after it's baked. You will also need a few mixing bowls. You will use these to mix the crust and the filling. An electric mixer is helpful for making cheesecake. It helps you beat the cream cheese until it is smooth. You can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer. The crust is the base of the cheesecake. It adds a nice crunchy texture. It also holds the creamy filling. Making the crust is easy. First, you need to crush the graham crackers. You can do this by hand or with a food processor. Make sure the crackers are finely ground. Next, mix the graham cracker crumbs with sugar and melted butter. Stir them together until well combined. The mixture should be like wet sand. Press the crumb mixture into the bottom of the springform pan. Use the back of a spoon or a flat glass. Make sure the crust is even. Section 5, creating the luscious filling. Now it's time to make the cheesecake filling. This is the heart of the cheesecake. It's what makes it so rich and delicious. Make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature. This will make it easier to beat. Beat the cream cheese with sugar until it is smooth. Add the eggs one at a time. Mix well after each addition. Don't overmix the batter. This can make the cheesecake crack. Stir in the vanilla extract and sour cream. Mix until just combined. Your cheesecake filling is ready. Section 6, baking, the heart of the cheesecake. Pour the cheesecake filling over the crust, smooth the top with a spatula. Now it's time to bake. Cheesecake is best baked in a water bath. This helps it cook evenly. It also prevents cracks. To make a water bath, wrap the springform pan in foil. Place it in a larger pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water. Bake the cheesecake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. The baking time varies. It can take anywhere from 55 to 70 minutes. The edges should be set and the center should jiggle slightly. Section 7, cooling and chilling. Patience is key. Once the cheesecake is baked, turn off the oven. Let the cheesecake cool inside the oven for an hour. After an hour, take the cheesecake out of the oven. Let it cool completely on a wire rack. Once the cheesecake is at room temperature, cover it. Refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or overnight. Section 8, serving your masterpiece. When you're ready to serve, carefully remove the sides of the springform pan. Your cheesecake is ready. You can serve cheesecake plain. It's delicious on its own. You can also add toppings. Fresh fruit, chocolate sauce, and whipped cream are all popular choices. Section 9, exploring cheesecake variations, a world of flavors. Cheesecake is a versatile dessert. You can make many variations. Try a New York-style cheesecake. It is dense and rich. You can make a no-bake cheesecake. It uses gelatin to set. Add fruit to your cheesecake. Swirl it in or top it off. Make a chocolate cheesecake. It's perfect for chocolate lovers. Try mini cheesecakes. They are great for individual servings. Enjoy experimenting with different flavors. You can create your own signature.